Alright, so y'all are doing 2 exercises this week, both of them dealing with writing descriptions. The first one, you'll be reading a paragraph and trying to find details in it to answer questions. And then the next exercise, you'll be writing your own paragraph. So here are some tips as you look for details in writing and try to write your own to kind of keep in mind. So as you're looking in the paragraph, look for the point of view. And that can be the physical point of view, where the character is, or their mental point of view, maybe things that they're thinking about that describe them. Then look for other details, whether those are things that can be seen, or maybe things that you can understand about how they're describing the personality or the way they're thinking about something. You can also select details that appeal to the senses, and then arrange those details in order. So if they're describing a person physically, maybe they're starting with clothing, maybe they're starting with maybe something on their face, maybe the way that they carry themselves. Then you'll want to start there and kind of work into maybe personality in a different section. So top to bottom and side to side doesn't necessarily apply quite as well to a person unless you want to describe a person from head to toe, which you can also do in your paragraph. You will have that option. Using exact nouns and verbs instead of many adjective and adverbs, you can describe exactly what they're doing and let that play into who they are. So maybe some of the examples they give this week are a leader. A leader would be, telling people what to do, or in maybe a good way or a bad way. A football fanatic would be super excited about football, so maybe we're talking about them going to a game. Maybe we're talking about them looking for gear to support their team, or talking about it with someone else. Different verbs, different actions that this person could be doing to describe their character. So with exercise B this week, it describes a type of person. You're going to want to be looking for details in that. And then exercise C, you'll be writing a paragraph describing a person you have observed. And the options are open for you. They give you a couple examples. If you have any questions, I'll be sure to check in and happy to help.